Oh, dude, that might be a 5-pounder. Pull my drag. Oh my god, that thing's a tank.
He's on the fish all day.
Oh, that one crushed it.
Yeah. Good one?
Yep. Oh, not as big as I thought. I think so. Thing hit it with a lot of passion, that's for sure. Hit it like he was gonna be a 5-pounder. Not quite.
One more.
Dude, my fucking bail opened.
You still got him though. Holy fuck.
Dude, I saved it. I grabbed my bail. It's a nice one, yeah.
Oh my god, I thought I had it. This net is tough, man. Half the bail is
On the swim bait.
There you go. Swim bait?
Nah, like a 3-incher. Been a while since I felt a bite, damn. And you know what I was feeling there for a second?
Get that on video?
Yep. I'm pretty sure I did, yeah. Thank God I did. Usually I miss them all. Yeah, back to back, literally. This one's just a little smaller, I think. Same size, probably.
The tough thing is this part right here.
Yeah. It bounces right off of it. That was pretty sick. As soon as it hit the water, the thing ate it. I didn't have time to look to see if my camera was on. Like, it was just...
another one I'm tying up the swim bait.
I mean, they might just be getting active, Andrew. Like, holy fuck. Got people staring at us and shit.
Kind of back to back.
Oh, just banged his head off the boat. That's always good for him.
Like, I'm confident I could win something in like June or July out there.
Oh, that one smoked it. That's a big one. For sure. That's a really big one, dude. It's pulling the whole boat.
My line good there?
Yeah. Oh, dude, that might be a 5-pounder. Pull my drag. Dude.
You got this on video?
Yeah.
That's a good one.
This might be PB of the year, dude.
That's at least 4.5. Oh, he's long too. Look at him.
Oh my god, that's 5. Nice! That's a 5, dude.
There you go.
That's a big one, dude. That's a 5 all day.
Oh, that's good, dude. It looks even bigger all of a sudden.
That's a tank.
On the jig, huh?
Yup. That's gotta be a 5-pounder. Oh my god, that thing's a tank. Alright. Let me let this fucking giant
You
go.
gonna weigh him?
I don't think I should. I mean, unless you want me to. Yeah, I really want to let it go. I don't think it's like anything over 5, so I don't really want to, but I think it's maybe 5 even, for sure 4.5. What are you thinking?
It's over 4 for sure.
Yeah.
4.5. I don't know. It's tough to tell.
I'm letting her go. Tank. Yep. I just cast it, dude. I can flip this one. This one's kind of small. Dude, look at this one's a baby compared to the one I just caught. Man, I wish you would have caught this one when I was holding up that one, so you could really like put it in perspective in the video how big that one was I just caught. This thing's a fucking straight up baby. That was back-to-back casts though.
4 pounder right there.
It's a good one.
Sure.
That's a 4 probably. Right there.
Got a fish in one hand and net in the other.
My camera's on it too.
Decent
Not a
one.
bad one. Dude, they're so strong.
That's why I love smallmouth. You catch a 2 pounder and it fights like
Yeah,
a 6
he's
pounder.
dogging the fuck out of me. Wow, that's so sweet. I knew we were gonna double up too.
There we go. Oh yeah.
Sick. Yours is probably a pound or 2 bigger, but
Gotta take a picture of that. What a day.
for real.
I'm throwing mine back.
I probably got a 2 pounder. You probably got like a 4. See you. Come on. Hooked up.
You are?
Hooked up. The state record largemouth.
Yeah. If you're believing it.
What a giant, dude. Thanks for netting him. I don't know how I would have landed that one.
Popped right off. Look at that.
Drag peeler, fucking boat puller. Oh, my bad. Up. Hooked up. Bullhead. I think he ate it too.
You know what? That's fun, man.
That is pretty sick.
I don't know. That's fun.
I think I'm recording too. I am. No one's been here 8 minutes. Alright. Not 7 minutes. 6, 7. Yep, fucking 1 pound bullhead. Get her done, son.